I am Rima and my brand is Mastermind Toolbox. What I've learned with James is how to use marketing, Facebook marketing, and in particular how to use Facebook Live. You see, I'm not very good with, I wasn't very good with videos, and especially live videos. Simple steps that James shared not only empowered but also taught me in technical side. Well, how is it going to improve my business? It exposes me to greater audiences and also allows me to connect with audiences immediately and share the message there and then. I received immediate feedback from my listeners, which allowed me to give further information, share further message with them immediately. Go for it. The quicker you can join James and his program, the quicker you can improve your practice and marketing.